Hey friends, where do diesel owners go for warranty-friendly performance upgrades? They go to dieselmodules.com. In fact, the link is right above this video, dieselmodules.com. It's the home of the warranty-friendly performance upgrade that you can do yourself. This is a plug and go. Check it out, guys. This is it. It's a plug and drive performance solution that is warranty friendly and powertrain safe. We don't delete anything. We don't modify anything. This is a product that you can plug in under 20 minutes for a pickup, less than an hour installation on the Class A RVs. This is something that's going to pay for itself. It's going to give you the low end horsepower and torque that you're looking for. It's going to improve your fuel efficiency considerably. 94% of our customers see a notable mileage improvement of 2 to 4 miles per gallon. So if you're looking for a way to improve your performance and improve the mileage of your diesel, I'm telling you, dieselmodules.com is the place you want to go. We have a 3-year warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee. We want a chance to earn your business. Would love to answer any questions. If you get a phone call from a 406 Montana area code, it's most likely me. So please answer the phone. I will be happy to chat with you, answer any questions, and offer the discounts we have available. Check it out, dieselmodules.com, home of the warranty-friendly performance solution. Now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to find your module. In fact, the module you're looking for is going to take you less than 30 seconds. Once you go to the website, you're going to go to Find My Module, the yellow search box. I'm going to show you just how easy it is and how quick it is, and I'll be back with you in a moment.
Remember, when using a search engine to find dieselmodules.com, be sure to click on the original warranty-friendly performance solution since 2003. Here's what our homepage looks like. If you scroll down past the Find Your Module search zone, you will find a short Welcome to Diesel Modules video, as well as our 4-minute product information video. Now let's go back up to the Find Your Module search and simply choose your vehicle type, either cab and chassis RV or half to 1 ton pickup. Now choose your diesel engine, and the final step is to choose the year of your vehicle and click on the green search button. And that's it. If you don't see a performance module for your specific vehicle, we want to encourage you to call or text us, because there are times when we do have a performance module that's not listed on our website. dieselmodules.com, where stock diesel owners go for warranty-friendly performance upgrades.
And that's it. It's that easy. Less than 30 seconds, you can find the module you're looking for your diesel engine. We want a chance to earn your business. We are confident that if you try the product, 30-day money-back guarantee, 3-year warranty, by the way. If you try the product, you're going to love the product. You're going to love what it does. It helps to allow your engine to do what it's really capable of in a warranty-friendly, powertrain-safe way. Do-it-yourself installation. You don't have to be a diesel mechanic. Go to dieselmodules.com now. Don't forget, the link's right above me. dieselmodules.com. Love a chance to earn your business.